Good morning, everyone. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is crucial for maintaining energy levels, boosting metabolism, and promoting overall health. However, we understand that mornings can be hectic, and finding the time to prepare a healthy meal can be challenging. In this video, we'll share 10 quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas that will fuel your body and kickstart your day on the right foot. Step 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a convenient and delicious option for a healthy breakfast. Simply mix rolled oats with milk, or a non-dairy alternative, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits or nuts. Let it soak overnight, and you'll have a creamy, satisfying breakfast ready to go in the morning. Step 2. Smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, and protein sources like Greek yogurt or nut butter, and top with crunchy toppings like granola, seeds, or coconut flakes. Step 3. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a trendy and nutritious breakfast option. Toast whole grain bread, mash some ripe avocado on top, and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and any other desired toppings like tomatoes, feta cheese, or a drizzle of olive oil. Step 4. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option. Simply whisk eggs with your favorite vegetables and lean protein, like spinach, bell peppers, and turkey bacon. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake. Reheat and enjoy on busy mornings. Step 5. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfaits are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and a sprinkle of granola or nuts for a satisfying and protein-packed breakfast. Step 6. Breakfast burritos. Breakfast burritos are a portable and filling option. Scramble eggs with vegetables, wrap them in a whole wheat tortilla with a sprinkle of cheese, and enjoy on the go. Step 7. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is a nutritious and easy-to-make breakfast option. Simply mix chia seeds with milk, or a non-dairy alternative, sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, and your favorite fruits or nuts. Let it sit overnight, and you'll have a creamy, fiber-rich pudding in the morning. Step 8. Oatmeal cups. Oatmeal cups are a convenient and customizable breakfast option. Mix rolled oats with milk, or a non-dairy alternative, eggs, and your desired mix-ins like fruits, nuts, or chocolate chips. Bake in a muffin tin and enjoy a portable, nutritious breakfast on the go. Step 9. Breakfast quesadillas. Breakfast quesadillas are a fun and tasty option. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, cheese, and your favorite veggies or lean protein. Cook in a skillet or panini press for a crispy, satisfying breakfast. Step 10. Fruit and yogurt parfait. Fruit and yogurt parfaits are a classic and healthy breakfast option. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or mango, and add a sprinkle of granola or nuts for some crunch. Conclusion. With these 10 quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas, you'll have no excuse to skip the most important meal of the day. Remember, a nutritious breakfast can set the tone for a productive and energized day. Experiment with different combinations and find the options that suit your taste preferences and lifestyle. Happy and healthy eating!